Welcome to Ivanti Help. In this video, we are going to talk about using managed configurations to customize your Android enterprise software deployments from Ivanti Avalanche. Managed configurations allow you to speed through the provisioning and setup process, reducing the time it takes to get your devices into a fully working state and into your employees' hands. They are versatile. You can configure Gmail to retrieve user credentials from Active Directory. You can configure a Velocity host profile and deploy it with the Velocity app. You can configure OEM configuration apps to define manufacturer-specific device settings. And those are just a few examples for a few apps. They are flexible. You can create multiple software payloads for the same app, but with different configurations, and selectively send them to different devices based on user role, location, device type, or any other selection criteria you would like. They are convenient. You can configure your apps globally from the Avalanche console instead of on one device at a time. Managed configurations are sent to devices as part of software payloads. When a device receives a software payload with a managed configuration, the app in the payload is automatically configured and ready to go without any end-user interaction. Now let's talk about how to create managed configurations in Avalanche. First, create an Android enterprise software payload. Select the enterprise that the payload will be associated with. Click Browse to select an approved app. I'm going to create a new configuration for Velocity. Click Configure, Create New. Now I can enter the information for my host profile. Once this payload is deployed to devices, this profile will appear in the Velocity app automatically. Now I save my configuration, select it, and save the payload. All that's left to do is to deploy this to devices. I have mentioned possible configuration options for Gmail, Velocity, and OEM configurations, but those are not the only configuration options for those apps, nor are they the only options for other supported apps. The available settings for each app are determined by the app developer and are different from app to app. I encourage you to head over to play.google.com/work and take a look at the apps you use most in your enterprise. See if they support managed configurations and what options are available, and consider how nice it could be to remotely configure them across your enterprise. For more information about Avalanche features, see the links in the description or visit help.ivanti.com.